this is the flagship model and this is the first Find X series that is launched in India right now. So I am so excited to introduce you this model. So what are the special features available in this model? There are many firsts available in this model and that too launched in India. If you are watching first time, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the all icons button. So this is Oppo Find X8 series. This is the base model of the flagship X8 series that is launched in India for the first time. So this Find X8 series has launched recently, just 2 days back, and today I got an opportunity to introduce you about this model and various specifications of this model. So let me explain one by one. So first, coming to its size. So this is compact size, comes with 6.59 inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate and 1.07 billion colors. So this gives an optimal size for your experience. Many models are giving a larger displays and some other models are giving very compact display. So this stands in between those. That means without compromising the size and with providing the compactness, so that you don't miss the experience of large displays in the compactness. So this provides the best of size in my opinion. See, it holds perfectly in a single hand. But of course, you have another choice. If you want further a bit bigger display, then you have the Find X Pro series. This has Pro XDR display specification also. That means you can watch the content on the display in XDR mode, so that the wide dynamic range is increased. And next, coming to the size, it has 0.79 centimeters thickness and 193 grams weight. So you don't feel much weight in your hands. Coming to battery, for the first time, Oppo has released 5630 mAh battery in a compact phone. In this compact phone, is it possible to incorporate the 5630 mAh battery? Yes, it is possible. Why? Because Oppo has installed a new silicon battery in this model, so that the compactness is there and at the same time there is a 12% higher density or higher capacity in the compactness. So this is about 5630 mAh model which supports 80 watt Superphone charge, that is wide speed of the charging, and other than that it has a 50 watt wireless Airwalk charging capacity also. So next, coming to the processor, it has a flagship MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor under the hood. So which is the flagship processor which has the higher clock speed of 3.6 GHz. So which is enough to perform high-end games and video editing at a fraction of seconds. This, in addition to Trinity engine, it performs most of the gaming actions at ease. The most important, the camera section. The rear camera has triple rear camera system, which all the three cameras have 50 megapixel resolution. So the main camera is 50 megapixel main camera 1 by 1.5x sensor size. And next, coming to ultra wide camera, it is also 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, that is 1 by 2.75 inch sensor size. Coming to telephoto. So there is a specific feature available in this telephoto camera. So the telephoto camera is a periscope zoom telephoto camera available in this model. So this is also a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, that is 1 by 1.95 inch sensor size. So the triple rear camera system does not compromise in the resolution, because all the three cameras has been provided with 50 megapixel resolution, so that you don't have any compromise. Even the ultrawide camera and telephoto camera supports tele-macro shooting capabilities. And coming to video recording, so it supports 4K at 60 frames per second, one of the digital standards set for digital creators.
This powerhouse has a bunch of AI photo remaster features like AI clarity enhancer, AI reflection remover, AI unblur, AI eraser, and along with this it have productivity AI features also as AI toolbox like AI writer, AI reply, AI summary, AI assistant for notes, translate documents and summarize documents. Here is a glimpse of photos captured on this smartphone.
So this gives the best choice for compactness, yet the high-end model for both camera and performance capabilities. And next, coming to the front camera has been provided with decent 32 megapixel camera. This is about hands-on impressions of the Oppo Find 8 series. Let me know in the comments what feature do you like in this model and what feature you expect from the next series. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click all icons button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.